So family, I don't test the TV, say no works. Now the microwave now remain. So who could test the microwave whether the microwave they work? So I don't plug it. I'm gonna they put eye for you if it on. I'm gonna let me know if it on. So put your eye there. Let's go. You on? It will work. He on. Okay. So let's see. 30 seconds. Start. It dey work, so why can't they do like they blow air come outside? I say this thing dey work. Blessing they hot, blessing they blow air, like you know they sound like microwave they work, blessing they blow air come outside. You don't off. Family. You don't off. And lie. You don't off. Because na part-time. Now part-time microwave, now half it they work part-time, no they work full-time. Jesus. Part-time microwave, now I go peak. Now no kind of message good outside, they stop my video. Wait, I read this. Why I shape for that? I put not for. Wait. Family, no work again, no. Family. Yeah, man, you know work again. You know work for where, you know work. Now part-time microwave it be. Part-time microwave. So family, to both the microwave and the TV, they go back to work for carry them because as it stands like this, the TV don't break. You know they work, but the microwave they work on a part-time microwave. So you know say it work easy and this stuff. So family, I don't get too much time. I dey carry them go back ASAP. Understand? So I'll get back to you guys. Now see how the finally now I don't see pick two things together. As hard as you get the same color, competitors they need to work. The microwave is try small. You try small when a part-time microwave. So guys, microwave need I better call now.